I think you made it clear in the interview, but I just want to give you one more opportunity on what you think separates MakerGear from all the other 3D printers out there, in at least the minds of school districts and educators.
I think, a couple of key things. One is our focus on the customer. We've walked the walk now for 10 years. We don't have external investors, so our focus has always been, providing a great machine to our customers with great customer support, and then, bringing as much money as we can in the community. So, our footprint for our actual manufacturing facility might be fairly small, but since we work with a lot of contract manufacturers, we bring millions and millions of dollars in the community. So there are a lot of printers available in the market right now. Ours tend to be on the more expensive side, and that's because they're really good machines. They're really, really well constructed, and they're made in the U.S. So that's a big part of it right there.
Yes, and I can attest that for school districts who have bought more inexpensive 3D printers, the teachers unfortunately have grown in frustration and overwhelm trying to unclog nozzles and eventually get to the point where they don't trust the machines or want to use them. So I think there's a lot to be said. So thank you for that very much. Rick, you'll probably laugh at this, but I really see you as a visionary. I see you as a really innovative guy who's done a lot of great things. And when I get an opportunity to meet someone who's created something, bigger than life in a lot of ways, and you've created opportunities and hope for so many people that you employ and giving back to the community.
2020 has been a really challenging year, so I very much appreciate your kind words.